Hi, I'm SuperFriend Fernando.
Hello, I'm SuperFriend Minimi. Welcome to our channel.
Our join button has been out for quite some time. And right now, we are going to officially invite you to please join our channel by clicking on the join button for as little as
99 cents a month and you can become a member of our channel.
Thank you, Minimi. By the way, Minimi, what are the perks if you become a member of our channel?
What perks?
Perks are like benefits. If they're going to pay a monthly fee, we need to be able to offer them something in return.
What perks? I don't really understand.
Let's say a gym membership. If you become a member of a gym, you will pay a monthly fee, but you'll be able to use the facilities like the gym equipment, the shower, the steam.
But we're not a gym. That's confusing.
I know. We're not a gym, just using that as an example. We need to come up with perks, otherwise, it's useless. They're not going to be a member of our channel.
I don't really understand.
Minimi, go to your box. I'm sorry about that. One of the perks, if you come to our streams, you'll be able to use these Super Friends emojis, which are really cute, and I'm sure you're all going to love them. Aside from that, we do our exclusive Super Shout Out. So what are you waiting for? Click on that button and become a member of our fan channel. Salamat! Welcome to our channel. Our channel has a join button.
Ay! Ang ganda.
And for as little as
99 cents a month and you can... Oh, sorry.
one of the perks, if you come to our streams, you'll be able to use these Super Friends emojis